Oh, hello. David Bradley here in the box room. I have been to the basement. By the way, thought I'll just point one thing out here. The light. I've talked about this before, but the light that's giving me the little light is one that my father made with a bunch of his friends way back, probably in the 40s, maybe the 50s, when they did things at Fairlawn United Church, now known as Fairlawn Heights United Church, because it merged with, I think, Armor Heights United Church. Anyway, it's an antifreeze can. Very well, carefully wired. Ready for a gel. I should look for some sort of gel. You know what I could do? Just if I felt like it. I'm not going to put it in this. I could take some toilet paper and just put it across it now. Does that really wipe it out? Yeah, pretty much. That is not a gel. Is like colored plastic stuff, like a gel. Anyway, I digress. So the last time we were here, and I'll get that monitor on, and I'll get this turned on, and then we'll see how this is looking here. I might have to reach up here. Anyway, so I was testing out this Frankenstein prototype school project, something or other, joystick. I have the lights on, I do. And it was okay, I like it. It does have an occasion to bounce a little. It does, but I don't think I want to do pit stop. I should look over here as I'm running out of room in here. Ooh. It's JumpMan Jr. Let's see if it works. It plays. Okay, so number 5. 1. Speed. I think I'm going to put in like 6. Because I think that's a fairly slow speed. I think. Alright, what's going on here? Oh, I must be in the wrong joystick port. And I died. Right? Oh, I got it backwards. I'm backwards. Yeah, this is a fairly slow speed. Am I blocking the screen? Maybe a little bit. Okay, so we'll wait. We'll go up here. Oh no, oh no. We'll get out the way. There we go. Get out the way, get out the way. I'll go over here. Because this thing is going to want to fire when it gets lined up with me. Well, I can jump. Oh, I didn't jump. Why did I not jump? Well, I'm still getting used to this now. Alright, that's fine. I think this might... Nope, no fire there. This is already fired off of its thing. I'm going to try and jump. I have jumped. And I will come to here, so this can go poof. Then I can run over here, and I can jump. Oh, well, yeah, I guess I had to go up there. I forgot about those. Okay, so I got that. Now, I guess I can go over here, right to the top, and jump. And jump. Uh-oh, there we go. And grab that. And then go back up to the top of the ladder and jump. Oh, this is going to be tight. This is going to be tight, but I think I can do it. Hello. Get out the way and head down here. And then I can jump. Oh no. I jumped on the rope. I did not want to jump on the rope. I wonder if I can jump over here. Nope, I cannot. Oh dear, 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 dear. Is that it? Are we over? Nope, we're not over. Okay. So I should be able to jump and grab that, and hopefully grab this before that thing comes in. Cool. And now we're on to level 2. And so far, I haven't, well, I've been holding this and I'm trying not to let it bounce. Where are we? Oh, I'm up there. Oh, there's fire. Okay, so the thing will fire, and then I have to jump over the fire. Then I have to jump over here. And then I have to jump. Oh no. It's gonna come at me. But that's okay, because I got out the way. And I jump. And I jump. And I jump. And I jump. Oh, there's fire. I don't know how I can get necessarily past that. It's dangerous to be right at the top. Oh, here. I'll stand here. It will fire. I can move. There's fire. Okay, now I can jump. And I can jump. And I can stand here and wait for that thing to shoot. And I can jump. And I can jump. And I think oh, I hit the fire. Alright, well that went okay, but you know. Oh, are we done? Oh, okay, we're done. Well, how's that looking over there? Oh, okay. Guess, no, I'm not putting in my time drawer. If they save, see, that's the thing about cartridge games. You can put it in the high score, and while you've got it on, while you've got it on, you know, with your friends playing, you know who had the high score, and I guess you can write it down, but it doesn't record it. That's too bad. There should have been an option, I think. Even if it was a cartridge game, not to have it stored in the cartridge, but to be able to save it to disk should have been an option. Anyway, that's enough of that for now. So I am pleased with this Frankenstein joystick. It does, the switch is a little, I don't know if you can hear it there. It's very, you know, you pressed it. There's no doubt. It's a long throw to it, and the whole thing has a long throw to it. It does. Anyway, that is enough for now. I think the next thing I'm going to do is, I was back in the basement and I found a very ugly 64. Ugly. And I think it's time to have a look. Other things that'll be upcoming, of course, is I have been gathering things to try and clean this very dirty disc and then see if it can be saved. But that is all for now. So thanks for coming. See you again. Bye for now.